Hello learners! Today we will learn add phonogram. Add words make the sound add. Add words make the sound add. 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 Let's practice words with add phonogram. P, add, bed. P, add, bed. F, add, fed. F, add, fed. L, add, led. L, add, led. R, add, red. R, add, red. T, add, ted. T, add, ted. V, add, wed. V, add, wed. Bye bye. Thank you. Happy learning.